respected founder member, director sir, principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, honorable chief guest, and all my staff members. A very big Jai Hind to one and all. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I would like to speak a few words from the bottom of my heart on this auspicious occasion. I feel immensely honored to be a part of this celebration. Today, we are celebrating the 74th Independence Day. It is one of the most important days for all Indian citizens because on this day, 15th August 1947, our country became independent from the British rule. British ruled over India for more than 200 years, during which they divided and controlled us. Many brave warriors of Indian freedom fighters raised their voice against the British rule to teach them a lesson and hoisted the tricolor on Indian soil. Thousands of brave sons sacrificed their lives for Indian freedom struggle. This is a day to remember the sacrifice of freedom fighters whose effort gave us independence. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Pandit Nehru, Maulana Azad, Ashfaqullah Khan are many names who have made invaluable contributions to Indian freedom struggle. We can't imagine that horrible moment struggled by our forefathers. 74 years after independence, today India has many rapid progress in many fields like agriculture, sports, education, science and technology, manufacturing, etc. Today India is known as a progressive and powerful country all over the world. The credit goes to these martyrs, heroes and freedom fighters. Today our country is on the path of progress, but even today our country is facing many crises like corruption, terrorism, poverty, unemployment, farmer suicide and insecurity of women. This year in 2020, our country and all the other countries are fighting with the coronavirus disease that is also called COVID-19. Most countries around the world have seen cases of COVID-19 and many are experiencing outbreaks. Protect yourself and others from spread COVID-19. Stay home and self-isolate even with the minor symptoms. The economic impact of 2020 coronavirus pandemic in India has been largely disruptive. During the lockdown, an estimated 14 crore people lost their employment while salaries were cut for many others. India is one of the world's hit countries in the coronavirus pandemic. Hence, to conclude, I feel that it is the responsibility of every citizen to rise and make this country strong in all aspects. So let us be one, united we stand, divided we fall. Now, in the end, I conclude with these lines. Freedom in mind, faith in word, pride in our heart. Freedom in mind, faith in word, pride in our heart, memories in our soul. Let us salute the nation on Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.